got you. You probably were thinking I wasn't going to say anything. Welcome to Skulls and Paints. My name is Hendrik, and I think you have no idea what I want to talk about today. It's not obvious at all. And maybe this is just standing here to mislead you. Nah, just kidding. I want to talk about Infinity CodeOne Operation Kaldstrøm. Operation Kaldstrøm is a 2-player battle box with 2 ready armies in there. Pan-Oceania on the one side and Yu-Ying on the other side. And CodeOne is the streamlined rules set for Infinity. The idea is to make the game more accessible to new players. So without much further ado, let's see what's inside of this box in case you haven't seen the Corvus Belli video yet. And then I will be assembling and priming these minis, and in the next video you will see me painting them. In that sense, let's go! So we have over here a quite heavy box. It's maybe 1.5–2 kilos, and it is very nicely fully packed with a lot of minis and a lot of terrain and actually everything you need to play. So let's see what's all inside. Got a flyer for their 2-player battle game, Aristea. Here we have the rule booklet. Over here we have all the bases for the minis, the dies we need, and here we have all our sweet minis. This is going to be a lot of fun. And over here we have the really nice settlement scenery pack, and this is really high quality stuff, a really thick cardboard, and these are great and will make any table look really fun. And thinking that this is all included into this box, it's a really good deal, I think. Over here we have our 2x2 game mat. That's pretty nice. That is also included, so you don't need to play on a bare kitchen table, but of course that works also quite easily. And over here we have the very nice double-sided scenery, and you can build quite a lot of stuff. Here you see we have the markers you need. So we have got a flamethrower, 2 measurement sticks, and then some other markers. Really nice that these things are included and that they are high quality. Here you got some obstacles, some screens that add some life and interest to your battle plays. And here we got even more markers, so you can see if it's a regular order, a special order, and so on and so on. Some object tokens, mission tokens. And yeah, very nice. So this is the content we have inside. So with all these we can build 4 buildings actually. So that gives us a really nice battlefield, and then also several of these holo cards over here to add more interest to the battlefield. And together with all the markers and templates, we have everything we need. Alright, that was the rather unspectacular unboxing. No fancy movements and sound and light effect. But hey, it are miniatures. What do you expect? Some lasers and stuff? Anyway, let's build these minis, get them primed, painted and ready for our first game of Infinity CodeOne, Operation Kaldstrøm. The detail on these Infinity miniatures is always absolutely spectacular. You will see this even better after they are primed. And I also really like that they have these really good notches, or like ways to connect pieces together. They're big, they give a lot of hold, and there's not a lot of extra stuff you need to do to get these glued together and hold together. So I really appreciate that. You see that the people at Corvus Belli, that they're also gamers and hobbyists. Alright, as you can see over here, I have all the 15 minis that were in the Operation Kaldstrøm box assembled and base coated, and also already gave them a zenithal highlight with a white ink. Now they are ready for painting, and that's going to be in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this short video about the Operation Kaldstrøm box from Infinity CodeOne. If you did, leave the thumbs up, as it really helps to get this video out to other interested people. If you got questions, leave them in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a really good time to do so that you can see how I'm painting these minis up. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.